Hey guys, real quick, let's talk. That Jeep Wrangler, we finally got it done. It was a ticker, guys. Yes, it was making a ticking noise. Now, let me go over something with y'all real quick as it relates to these parts right here, okay? Bank one, obviously, right. It's got this PCV apparatus. Now, we went ahead on and replaced both camshafts. It technically only needed this one, guys. You see this load? Yeah, but they aftermarket warranty company allowed us to go ahead and do both. You see that lobe is shot. Now here's what I want to discuss, okay? The lifters. I remember this was a warranty company, so we did all the lifters, but you don't really have to replace all your lifters, guys. The fact of the matter is these lifters or lash adjusters or whatever you want to call them, they're not the reason for the ticking. All right, I cannot count the number of times I hear people say, hey man, my car ticking, I think I need a set of lifters. No, guy, you don't need no lifters. What you need is a set of rock arms, okay? Now I'm a big fan. Y'all see that? That rock arm is gone. I'm a big fan of replacing all 24 rock arms, okay? Now, however, if your vehicle have extremely high mileage, yes, go ahead and do all the lifters, okay? Or if the budget is not there, you don't have to do all the lifters, okay? If you got low mileage, not low, because it's not going to happen at low mileage, right? Because you change your oil on time, right? But if you don't have extremely high mileage, you don't have to replace all the lifters. I am a big fan, however, of replacing the lifter that's associated with the failed rocker. For instance, this is the failed rocker. This is the lifter that was under this rocker. Y'all see that? Yeah, it has come apart. And guys, get out of the habit of thinking you can just squeeze these. You can test these this way by just squeezing them. No, these are hydraulic lifters, okay? Pumped up, they're going to be hard. But if they're soft, that doesn't mean they're bad. Please, if you're not going to do all the lifters, at least do the lifter that was associated with this failed rock arm, okay? Yes, the lifters are not what's causing your ticking noise. The rocker arms coming apart, these needle bearings come apart, and guys, they end up in the oil pan. Okay, I got a video I'm gonna show you just that where I caught one. Yeah, all of these little needle bearings in the oil pan. When this happens, this could happen. Okay, this camshaft is unusable. I am a big fan of taking a mic. Scratches don't bother me. Okay, scratches is not going to affect the lift. All right, riding on a new rocker arm because all the load is carried on this bearing. My point is, please replace all the rocker arm. And if your camshaft look like this, you definitely need a camshaft. Okay, yeah. If I mic this, you can take a mic and mic each one of these lobes. The numbers should be close, very close. All right, but you're not going to get nowhere near close as the rest of these on this load right here. This camshaft is garbage. All right. Not a big fan of replacing all the lifters unless it's extremely high mileage or it's in the budget. A lot of time it's not in the budget. A lot of my customers are low budget customers. Okay. In order for me to save them some money. And I have no fear of it coming back ticking because the lifter fails. This engine been out since 2011. I've never had a engine ticking, a Pentastar ticking because of a failed lifter, lash adjuster, whatever y'all want to call it. Never, ever, ever, ever. All right. So, but that doesn't mean it can't happen. Yeah. I'm one guy. Okay. Yeah. I'm sure there's somebody out there that have experienced that. I'm just not one of them. So do what your budget will allow you to do. How's that? But definitely replace that one lifter that's associated with the failed rock arm. Guys, I got to go. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.